Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in a monthly chart. So friends, here you can see a monthly chart of gold futures. I call this pattern as a golden saucer, where you can see that after forming a good bottom here at the levels of $1063 in December 2015, gold futures started to consolidate amid this zone and once again find stiff resistance at the levels of $1364. Here you can see that the gold futures constantly faced stiff resistance. Friends, this is a monthly chart, so here you can see that from June 2016 to April 2018, gold futures had been constantly facing stiff resistance at the levels of $1376 and moved downward back up to the levels of $1173. Here you can see that the gold futures found a good bottom at these levels where they consolidated for nearly 4 months, and since November 2018, here you can see that the gold futures started an uptrend which is still continue, and I find that this uptrend in gold futures is still intact and we are going to test the new highs once again. And here I find the gold futures equity to test the highs of $1919, what they have already tested during the month of September 2011. So here I find that this formation of gold futures looks like a golden saucer where the gold futures have already entered inside this green zone. Here I find that a consolidation in gold futures above the levels of $1741 will result in a fresh breakout in gold futures, which may continue up to September 2020, when the gold futures may test the highs of $1919 during this month, because here I find that the growing weakness in global equity markets makes this uptrend in gold futures intact due to a global shutdown, where I find that a long disruption in global supply chain may continue to push gold bugs to test the new highs once again very shortly. Here I find that after crossing this immediate resistance at the levels of $1809, gold futures may consolidate amid this zone from the levels of $1803 to the levels of $1919. Here I find that a consolidation in gold futures which may start from the month of July 2020. Here I find that this consolidation may push the gold futures up to the levels of $1978 during the month of September 2020. So friends, here I would like to show you the movements of gold futures in a weekly time frame in the same chart pattern of this golden saucer. So in a weekly time frame, here you can see that in a weekly chart that an exhaustive candle has been formed in gold futures, where I find that a sustainable move above the levels of $1760 will negate this formation, and where I find that the gold futures may take a strong support at the levels of $1727, where the gold bulls find this level most appropriate to go long from the levels of $1727. Here I find that any downward move in gold futures back up to the levels of $1727 will provide a good opportunity for gold bugs to go long from these levels for an immediate target up to the levels of $1792 before the April ends. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures, because here I find that all the moving averages have given a bullish signal for a fresh breakout in gold futures. So here I find that the current uptrend in gold futures is still intact, where the gold futures may find some resistance at the levels of $1809. Here I find that after a sustainable move above the levels of $1809, I find that the gold futures may try to test the levels of $1848 before the upper ends. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.